that ooey gooey goodness. Do you see the pieces of marshmallow in there? Hi OFT family. Today I am making yet another spin on the Rice Krispy Treats. We're going to be doing Cinnamon Toast Crunch Rice Krispy Treats. Woo! Let me show you how I make them. We are back with our taste test of the Cinnamon Toast Crunch Rice Krispy Treat. Look at that ooey gooey goodness. Do you see the pieces of marshmallow in there? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna taste it. This is so damn good. I added a little extra cinnamon in the butter and marshmallow. This is so good. Such a good little fun twist on the Rice Krispy Treat. You guys gotta try it. It is so good. Wherever you are today, you are loved, you are blessed, and you are part of our family table. Bye for now.